Hi everybody, my name is Leo with Print Co, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make custom face masks with your DTG machine. Let's start on the setup station away from the printer. You want to load your side panel platen. To print on the side of these masks, what you want to do is take the elastic string and tuck that in under the top plate. So let's start off with that part first. Tuck, 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 tuck. And then once you get to the border outline of the mask, you want to fold that part in and tuck it under the top plate as well. With everything tucked under the top plate, all you have to do is smooth out the print surface area and then grab your tucker. This part comes with the side panel platen as well in your Supreme kit. So with the tucker, bring in enough slack and then tuck it all under the top plate so that you have a nice print surface area for you to print on. Then if you'd like, you can actually remove the tucker by sliding it out from the side and you're ready to go. From here, all you have to do is take the entire platen and transport it over to your machine. If you're looking to print down the middle of the mask, what you want to do is you want to take the elastic band on the top and tuck it under this top plate. So we're going to do the exact same thing by just folding it in. Take the rest of it and bring it down. Now you're going to do the exact same thing, except you want to make sure that you stretch out enough of the mask. The tricky thing about these is that it's going to want to pop upwards because it already has that shape to contour to your face. Once you have enough of a slack inside of the top plate, remove your tucker and you'll have a nice print surface area for you to print on. This will let you print anywhere on the front of the mask with ease. You just have to remember that with the seam in place, you might have to drop the platen down a little bit so that it can clear the height sensor. A different style of mask that you can use with the side panel platen are these that don't have a seam coming down the middle. They're a lot more flat. So the way that you apply these is you take the elastic part, you tuck it under the top plate the same way that you did with a side panel hat. Then you want to take the tucker and put in enough slack just so that it holds it into place. Once that's done, you just leave the tucker in place and you're ready to print. One of the biggest benefits to using DTG for printing custom face masks is that the ink is going to be water-based, so it's going to be really safe for you to breathe through. But then of course, one of the biggest benefits is that you get to print full color images with every mask that you print, so you don't have to limit yourself to just one color screen prints. Now all you have to do is transport it over to the DTG machine and hit print. All the awesome benefits that you get from hats are also going to apply to these custom face masks. The print surface area is going to be roughly the size of a left chest pocket print, so your costs are going to be really low for making custom face masks. And because right now face masks are trending for less than favorable reasons, these are going to be definitely the hottest item at your shop. If you want to print more face masks per hour by printing them non-stop, just have one ready before the next one comes out, switch them out, and continue printing. After you finish printing the masks, simply remove them like such. To dry the masks, just send them through the conveyor dryer if you have one available. As a result of the pandemic, there's a lot of things that changed almost instantly overnight. And we want to make sure that we do everything possible to help the print shops adapt quickly to the new situations that we're living in. And if printing on face masks is going to help you guys come out of this stronger, we want to make sure that you guys have the tools necessary to do so. So as of today, we're going to be making a special kit available so that you can be able to print these at your shop tonight.